Hello, friends. So today we have a wonderful two guests over here, Mr. Rajesh and Mr. Shirish. So can you say something about Sports Nasha which you have started? Can you say something about it?
Thank you, Rafik. Uh, Myself and Shirish Deshpande, we are founder directors of sportsnasha.com, and it started with the idea of Shirish that he wanted to do something for grassroots sports. We have worked in various capacities for grassroots sports, but this was the first time we thought that we will have something of our own where we can implement our ideas. And that is where we came out with this website called Sports Nasha, www.sportsnasha.com. We started with an idea of putting scores of Harris Shield and Guile Shield school level cricket tournament. But it was Shirish, as Shirish says always, we just opened one door. And once we opened the door, we realized there are so many problems on grassroots sports. Our main aim is to work for grassroots sports because generally what happens, many media houses or whatever electronic media and print media, they have very little space for these grassroots sports nowadays. Earlier there was a special separate page for them and there was the coverage, but now so many international events and always media caters to those high end players. These grassroots players are ignored, and that is where we thought we should help them. And then there are several ideas which came into our mind that what we can do for these players and this sport. Shirish will tell you the rest of the things. Shirish.
Yeah, actually, what Rajesh said is right. We started with one tournament, which is football tournament, which is called as a VPPL competition. So it are around 70 teams, and so we just went and asked the founder of that tournament, Mr. Siddharth Sabapati, can we just promote your tournament on our website? And he willingly said yes. And there were 70 teams and around 25 to 30,000 spectators. Participants were also around 500 to 600, and all young players who were not known to media. But they were all excellent players, and they were all talented players of Mumbai. So they got the platform on our website, and we slowly started building up. We slowly started going into the grassroots areas of various sports. As you know, cricket is given a lot of importance. 80-90% of space on our media is cricket. Only 10% space goes to other sports. Though even now that Khelo More initiative of Government of India, they are trying to put in money for winning Olympic medals, etc. But still the cricket rules our country, as you all know. We are not against cricket. We are also cricket fans. But our aim is to go, like, if you can, I can just share one incident. Once powerlifting championship was going on at Dadar Parel, I think. And then the powerlifting championship, the organizer, he called us and he said, your Sports Nasha grassroots promoting website, kindly can you come and promote our tournament on your website and share our highlight the performances. And you can't imagine, myself and Rajesh, we went there by train, Dadar, and then from there we went by taxi. And we could never find the entrance because all over the entrance, all garbage was there. Means we could not see what is the way to enter the actual arena. And we somehow found out the way and we entered the arena and we found that there was a small podium, and then there were all powerlifting was being going
And state level players.
Okay. And they were all state level players. There were 3 Asian medal winners who were there, and they were all surprised how we came there, and they were so happy. So these things, this touched us. See, this is the problem. They were saying, you come, they were supposed to give us some money also for covering our tournament, some 2,500. But at the end of the tournament, we just spoke to them and they said, अरे अब हम लोग कैसे भी करके 5-10 हजार जमा किए, कोई स्पॉन्सरशिप नहीं मिलता, तो हमने बोला कि हमको इनसे पैसा क्या लेना, 2,000 रुपया या 2,500 रुपये, तो हमने वो छोड़ दिया. लेकिन वो एक इंसिडेंट ऐसा याद रहा कि हमको बहुत लगा कि ग्रासरूट लेवल में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है. Not only promotion, not only highlighting, not only giving them prominence on our website. There are n number of problems, like they don't have money, they don't have sponsors, they don't have proper coaches, they don't have proper sports science support. So I think Rajesh will talk about sports science support in short.
That's amazing, really, it's very amazing. So we'll continue further in the next video.